Still nervous, but okay, let's start then. So may I first introduce our first contestant of FameLab National Audition today, Mr. Pasworn, and his topic is shape memory alloys and their application. Please welcome. Good afternoon, Mr. Pasworn.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Not nervous anymore, are you?
Yeah, a little bit, I would say.
A little bit. So then, are you ready?
Yes.
Right. Then you may start.
Right. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to give a talk about shape memory alloy and their applications. So, has any one of you ever heard about the word smart material? Some of you may, some of you may not. Some of you may be a little bit too shy to raise your hands, but it's fine. So, shape memory is a characteristic of smart material. And the material is considered to be smart since it can remember the shape. This special material can return to their original shape, even though they has been undergo a hard deformation. To make you guys a little bit understanding, I'll show you something. This is a spring made out of nickel titanium, and it is considered to be a smart material. So I stretch it to make it deforms. I stretch it, and to make it go back through the original shapes, I just need to heat it up, just like this, just like magic. And, you know, the most interesting things about this material is that every time they returns to their original shapes, it releases the stress in a total amount of 450 megapascal. So you guys might wonder, well, what 450 megapascal looks like? Okay, here's the answer. This spring can carry the load in a total weight of 45 kilograms, or equal to a bag full of 225 oranges. You see how powerful this spring is, right? But you guys might wonder, well, how is that important to our life? This shape memory alloy can be used in many, many kinds of applications. For example, medical device. Here is some example of shape memory alloy used in medical applications. This is called an occluder. It's used for fix your heart leakage. You know, back in the days when the doctor have to do a heart surgery, they have to open up your chest, cut your ribs from here to here, one by one, all the way. It sounds painful, right? But nowadays, with the introduction of this device called occluder, is no need for a single surgery. No need for a surgery. It will deploy it from here, from your thigh, all the way through your vascular, and to your heart, and bam, it expanded automatically due to the shape memory effect. And next time you go to see the doctor, even though you may have like a heart disease, is no need for a single surgery. This is the powerful of shape memory alloy. So you can apply this knowledge of shape memory in many, many kinds of applications. Some days, who knows, you might discover something amazing that is useful to our life. It's all start with your idea. Thank you for your attention.
Well, that's a very interesting first talk, Mr. Pasworn. Now then, may I please ask for some comments from the judges? Any volunteers from you?
I have a question, actually. I was wondering why the materials can reshape itself. What is the mechanism right there?
All right, this mechanism of it is because of the special crystalline structures. To make it simple, this material have two phases, let's say A or B, or I would say martensite or arsenite if you may wish. So it can change between phase A and B every time they deforms, and you know, without any, let's say, a loss of energy. You know, in steel, when they change from phase A to B, they have to, they lost a lot of energy, which means that they cannot return to their original shape for 100%, but this material, they don't lose any energy, so that's why they can return back to their original shape.
Any other comments from the judges?
Yeah, just from me. You mentioned the use in heart surgery. Can you see any other things happening in the next 2 or 3 years which are likely to have an impact on our health?
Oh, of course. This shape memory alloy has been used in many kind of medical device, not only for a heart and also a stent, like to expand your airway. And I suppose that in the near future, it could generate electricity since you don't need to input any energy, and it could go back to the shape. It's like it could be like a turbine or something that can operate by themselves, and that would be useful to our life.
Well, I like the flow of your talk, and what I would suggest is that maybe smile a little bit more, so that would relax not only yourself but also the audience as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. I guess that's it from our judges. So thank you very much again, Mr. Pasworn, and I wish you the best of luck.
All right, thank you.